Yes, my peeps, it's been a minute. Your boy not drop no video. Don't tell you no YouTube thing I going on. But anyways, pick up on yourself and welcome back to another installation of In a Real Life with your boy Donte. Today we are going to country. Check out that what them call it, grave digging thing. So why not? They drive through. You could try all year right or something. Yeah, so I have never been to a grave digging before. So this is my first grave digging. Don't know if any of you have ever been to one, but have followed me today and see what it's all about. Sometimes I see some video over the grave digging, rum a drink, man a turn over and you know what I mean? So all the little happenings. So let me catch some of the happenings today and show you what I'm going. So heading to Hanover. Yeah. Nice little country. I don't take in some of the country breeze and them way there. So show you what I'm going in a minute. Alright, so stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So this is good old Sandy Bay. Long time someone I see Sandy Bay, you know. And that was long time little town, you know. Drive through. Lollipop on the beach. Yeah, not tourists. Go clubs. Yeah, alright, so we reach another little spot to show you what I'm going. But yeah, this is Sandy Bay. Look very quiet on the Saturday. Yes, my peeps, so we're reaching a Green Island. So I was going to show you a couple places in Asia and so forth. Chatting turn up in a car. Did not remember a thing, but this is Green Island. Taking our time cruising. So the time kind of overcast, but it's a really nice day. You know? At the end of the day, Jamaica is always beautiful, whether it's sunny or it's raining. God knows we need a little rain, especially in Montego Bay. But yeah, on the mission to the grave digging, and I've heard that the grave digging is nothing but total bashment, and I want to see bashment today. So I hope a lot of bash is melting down there, right? So we'll see what's going on. So we are leaving out of Hanover and about to enter Westmoreland, coming up on that bridge. I'll show you in a sec. Alright, so this is the bridge that separates Hanover and Westmoreland. Crossing the bridge. Well, you know now. We are now.
We're still in Hanover.
Listen to me.
We're still in Hanover. We're in Green Island.
No.
We are.
This is not Green Island. Green Island done.
No.
Alright. Oh yes, we are still in Hanover. Still in Hanover. Forgive me peeps, that is not the bridge that separates the two parishes. We're still in Hanover, heading to the grave digging site. Yes. So I guess whenever I reach to the site, because it's not much, I mean not stopping, so no sightseeing really. So when I reach to the location, show no what going. Alright, as I said, them better have bashment down there. Hope in a rain to this still. Alright, so we entering the bike capital of the world. About 40 bikes, I see. We just enter place.
The mode of transportation is bike. They have bike taxis.
It's a bike capital. Yeah. See them little road there. You know, man. You know, if you hawks. Markex road there though. Yeah, I want to take the extra, you know. No matter which part, no matter which bush. Every time man go through, man. So when I say country, we're talking about deep rural. The accent around these parts are different.
Oh
so you have to train your ears when you're around these parts. The last time I came around here, And I was talking and all I could hear was, yeah man, baby, grown up, baby.
Stop that.
Grown up, baby.
Stop it.
Oh my days. See?
It's no place.
40 bike. Alright, I forgot focus on the road because you see it's a one-way road that's split in two. So I have to really understand. But nice community, cool, quiet and nice. Next stop, grave digging bashment. And just listening in the background, you're gonna hear some of the accent. How you gonna do? I'm gonna be a me, come from where I put me foot. Alright. So they up on the grave digging site and all. And I mix up stone and sand and cement. Showing how I go on down there. So when these things are happening, the entire community comes out. Food, drink, everything. So doing the laying out the blocks. Yeah man. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe, you know? A whole vibe. Place there. See that? Boss now making limitation stopping me now. Man a skank, man a whole of vibes. Man a whole of vibes effort. Well, this grave digging is not like the ones that I heard about with big dance and thing. I guess it's because it's for an elderly person. So it's mostly like elderly people that are here, but nonetheless it's a lot of people. It's a whole event. Nice little vibe, you know? Yeah. Funeral Jamaican style. So we're there for a good grave digging. I didn't come down, but I really the house man show now. A long time I don't see one good, decent borders. Now I can't see. Hold on. Can we get food, you know? Grave digging have food. One thing I see the door. I don't know, like a dibby door, you know. A proper door they go on, you know. Decent borders. All in time call long as people are supposed to call. But you know, grave digging food. So I say alright, some curry chicken and some rice. Some cabbage on the side. But not just cabbage, it's cabbage and saltfish. Yes. Grave digging have our vibes. So the rain come down, so go and cool out now car a little bit. And go and mash up some of them food there. Yeah, it's a nice little vibes, I'm not lie. Quick update. Still in our car. Rain kinda ease up. But after eating this grave digging food, in the AC in our car, like just look at the place. Yeah, I mean, like, have you guys ever been to like a rural community and the air is just like, long story, I just want to bring back the seat and go sleep right now. Kid you not. But the grave digging must go on. So I don't want to go out in the rain, catch a draft or something like that. So as soon as the rain stops, then we're gonna go back around there and see what's the progress like with the grave itself. Trust me, also this board house is so nice. I don't know about the color still, but yeah. So let's see where I go on. Go outside, but I have to run coming back. Proper rain. Oh, now I like a makeshift thing and to run out. Tell her. Alright, so the rain came, as you can see. So the grave digging go on still. But if I lock up in our car for a little minute, Watch oh ants come by me. My word. Charger. You see me come out in the ants nest. Lucky thing me not so dainty. But you can't come a country and not get a few little goodies. So some nice little cabbage, them kind of look Brussels sproutish, but nice. You know, look upon this. Who can tell me about this? Sure. Maybe the lower part gate with a pumpkin and some like a dashing. No food around that, but nice sweet. All them things are organic, you know, so them not gonna look big and jumbo. All natural, you see me? But yeah, the ants nest me still there. Jaja, what is man? So the sun about to peep out. But yeah, them say party down the road and some bar, but I do head out still, you know. Alright, about to head out, touch back in the city. So you know I think it was a beautiful day, you know. Nice look of vibes. People them just nice and friendly. I love them. Swear to God. Try to find peace in them land and some boy wow wait I get yo watch what me I telling about the board house them. Now look on the door. I feel like I'm playing thing I go on, you know. Proper board house. Don't feel no way AC good up on the house. No joke. I tell you say I saw one board house same way with AC on it. Swear. But yeah, beautiful day. Place was green and nice and fresh, you know. Yeah. It's a grave digging proper done. Heading back to Mobile now. I guess the rain kind of put a little damper on the festivities. So never get to see all of the dashing outs and festivities. But nice little vibe, you know. Yeah. I guess persons in the rural parts kind of handle death a different way. So rather than mourning, it's a celebration, you know. But anyways, heading back to Mobile. Yeah, take my time on drive going, you know. Anything else will happen along the way, I'll let you guys in on what's happening. Alright. I'm telling you about nice board house. This is a board house. Like, I'm not tell you like, yeah, board house is not nice. What is a tractor man I hear, sir? Charger. Yo, I'm tell you, I wish the water wasn't on the glass so you guys could see the quality of that board house a while ago. I am certain air conditioner is on that house. Alright, I try to catch a nice little scenery. Trying to catch, you know, some part of the ocean. But driving too fast. Oh yeah. Check out scenery. Check out scenery. Check out scenery. Yeah man, anyways guys. Has been lovely. Nice little day. Heading back home now. You know, hope you saw something that you like, something entertaining, something fun or relaxing. But let's continue to do the do. Share the videos, like, subscribe, get some subscription for me. Yeah, I need the subscription them. Like, I'm gonna reach 1,000 subscribers yet. And that don't fit me. I don't like that for me. But anyways guys, big up on yourself. Avid viewers, big up on yourself same way. Alright. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section just the same. Yeah. Continue to help me grow this channel. And push out your subscriber them and motivate me man. I'm gonna push out some videos, yo. Anyways, my peeps, big up on yourself. Heart of love from here, boy. You know I go. I'm out.